Good morning students. In this video I am going to tell you about the climate and plant life in the frigid zones. The frigid zones are the coldest regions of the earth. These are covered with ice and snow throughout the year. There are two frigid zones, the North Frigid Zone and the South Frigid Zone. The North Frigid Zone is located between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole, while the South Frigid Zone is located between the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole. The continent of Antarctica is the coldest place in the world and is known as the frozen continent. Many expeditions have been taken to the places located in the frigid zone for explorations. Now I will tell you about the climate in the frigid zone. The frigid zones experience a cold climate because of their distance from the equator. They receive slanting rays of the sun and remain very cold throughout the year. The rainfall here is scanty and water is present mostly in a frozen state. The Arctic Circle is covered with a thick layer of ice called the ice cap. The polar regions experience 6 months of continuous daytime and 6 months of continuous night due to the tilt of the axis of the earth. In June, when the northern frigid zone receives continuous light, the southern frigid zone has continuous darkness. The situation is reversed in December. Sometimes the night sky in the polar regions is lit up by naturally occurring bright light. This light is caused by the collision of charged particles from the sun's atmosphere at a great height of the earth's atmosphere. It is known as aurora borealis in the northern hemisphere and aurora australis in the southern hemisphere. Now I'll tell you about the plant life in the frigid zone. Due to the cold climate and permanently frozen soil called permafrost, there is almost no vegetation in the frigid zones. The weather is comparatively mild in summer. Mosses, lichens and scanty grasses grow in this season. Some inhabitants do grow a few vegetables for personal consumption. It is impossible for trees to grow here. I hope this topic is clear to you all. Thank you. Have a nice day.